Defiant US President Joe Biden rejected blame on Monday for chaotic scenes of Afghans clinging to US military planes in Kabul in a desperate bid to flee their home country after the Taliban's easy victory over an Afghan military that America and NATO allies had spent 2 decades trying to build. At the White House, Biden called the anguish of trapped Afghan civilians gut-wrenching and conceded the Taliban had achieved a much faster takeover of the country than his administration had expected. The US rushed in troops to protect its own evacuating diplomats and others at the Kabul airport. But the president expressed no second thoughts about his decision to stick by the US commitment formulated during the Trump administration to end America's longest war no matter what. I stand squarely behind my decision to finally withdraw US combat forces, Biden said while acknowledging the Afghan collapse played out far more quickly than the most pessimistic public forecasts of his administration. This did unfold more quickly than we anticipated, he said. Despite declaring the buck stops with me, Biden placed almost all blame on Afghans for the shocking rapid Taliban conquest. Emboldened by the US withdrawal, Taliban fighters swept across the country last week and captured the capital Kabul on Sunday, sending US-backed Afghan President Ashraf Ghani fleeing the country.